This is class notes, section 8.7b, problem number 5. We need to expand the polynomial 2x minus 1/5 to the 6th power. So the first thing we're going to do is make our Pascal's triangle, and we need to go to the 6 rows. So I'll do that up here. I've got 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1, and that should do it. Let me just check to make sure. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. Now, why do I need the 6th row? Because this problem has an exponent of 6, which is why I need to go to that 6th row. And remember, the first row is always the 0 row. So these numbers that I'm highlighting here in yellow are the ones that we need for this portion of this problem. So here we go. All right, we are expanding 2x minus 1/5 to the 6th power. So we start with the first number on Pascal's triangle, which is a 1. We have a 1 times the first term of the binomial, and the first term of the binomial is the 2x. So 2x times the second term of the binomial, which is negative 1/5. That's coming from up here. This negative 1/5 is the second term. And I'm going to leave the exponents and just skip those for a minute. Then we're going to put plus. Now we go back to our triangle and pick up the second number, which is a 6. And then we put our first term, which is 2x. And then our second term, which is a negative 1/5. And then plus, we pick up our third number on Pascal's triangle, which is a 15. And then times 2x times a negative 1/5. And then we put plus. And we pick up the next number on Pascal's triangle, which is a 20, times 2x times a negative 1/5. Then we put plus. We pick up the next number on Pascal's triangle, which is a 15, times 2x times a negative 1/5. And then we pick up the next number on Pascal's triangle, which is a 6, and 2x and a negative 1/5. And then we pick up the last number on Pascal's triangle, which is plus 1 times 2x times 2x times 1/5. Negative 1/5, sorry. All right, so now after I do that, the next thing I'm going to do is go fill in my exponents. So my exponents, I'm going to do those in a different color for us. My exponents, I start with this 6 again. So this is a 6 and a 0. This goes down 1, becomes a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. All right, now I go back to the negative 1/5. That's a 0. Those go up 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, something's wrong. 0. I put something. Yep, never mind. All right, so I got my 1, and then my 2, and then my 3. Then my 4, and then my 5, and then my 6. All right, so I'm talking to myself. I made a mistake while I was writing, but you can't see that I made the mistake. All right, so there it is in expanded form. Now, because this one is quite complicated, you're going to want to use a calculator. So I'm just going to really give you the answer to this once you do all of the math. You're going to get 64x to the 6th power minus 192 over 5 x to the 5th power plus 48 over 5 x to the 4th power minus 32 over 25 x to the 3rd power plus 12 over 125 x to the 2nd power minus 12 over 3,125 x plus 1 over 15,625, and that's the answer. And as I said, you're going to want to use a calculator for that, and I'll hope I didn't make any mistakes. So that's problem 5 on 8.7b.